Hey, Ovation of the Seas behind me here. We just got off in Juneau, and it is surprisingly sunny. Look how sunny it is. Look how amazing this is. Well, we're going to enjoy the day here in Juneau. Let me take you on a little tour of things you can do, mostly for free. Since it was such a beautiful day in Juneau, we decided to walk to Cope Park. Now, Cope Park is only about a mile away, but that mile is almost completely uphill. So you should budget 20 to 30 minutes to walk up there. We also took a more circuitous route than I suppose most people do. So we walked along Egan Drive a little bit and then walked through town to get up to Cope Park. The advantage of going to Cope Park first is that the walk back to the cruise ship is mostly downhill. Once you reach Cope Park, there's a little area just down Cope Park Road that they call Cope Beach, where you can walk down and step in the water. It's kind of nice. And then you can walk through Cope Park. It's not a real big park, and as far as I can tell, the paths don't make a big loop. You just kind of walk a ways up into the mountains a little bit. The path gets a little sketchy after a while, and we hadn't really brought our hiking shoes, so we didn't want to fall, hurt ourselves. There aren't a lot of barriers or handrails, so you want to be careful. Check out this water. This is just amazingly beautiful. And on a sunny day, man, you just can't beat it. So we walked through Cope Park, saw the area, maybe only spent 20 or 30 minutes walking around. We did spend a little bit of time at Cope Beach, just enjoying the cool water that was there. And then the real secret is to make sure you take Calhoun Street one of the directions, either going to Cope Park or coming back from Cope Park. We did it on the way back. Along Calhoun Street, you'll be able to see Hellenthal Manor, the Alaskan Governor's Mansion, which is quite ornate and very cool to look at. It even has a totem pole outside, and the landscaping is just really nice. You'll pass by the Juneau Douglas City Museum, as well as the Alaska State Capitol. I find the Alaska State Capitol to be the least impressive state capitol that I have ever seen. But maybe you have a different opinion. And if you're looking for a place to get yourself a treat on the way back to the cruise terminal, because you did all that walking, I mean, come on, you got to get something, I would check out Seriously Milky. That's cereal, like breakfast cereal, and Seriously Milky. The ice cream was actually quite excellent. Tell them Cruising Secrets sent you. There are several other things that are popular to do in Juneau. Going out to Mendenhall Glacier, either by walking or by taking a helicopter. We recently did the helicopter tour, so check out that video next. This has been Luke from Cruising Secrets. Share your secret about Juneau in the comments below. We'll secret you later.